All right, in this example, we are going to do some AI-generated alt text for product images. So we're starting off with a product created trigger, or you could do a product updated as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this API, replicate.com image to prompt. And you can see the docs here for it. It takes an image and then spits out a description of the image. So we're going to hit that using the advanced Json body here. And because the API is asynchronous, they're going to return an ID that they're going to then, we give them a webhook to call back when they're done with the processing. So there's a separate action here, a separate workflow in Mesa where we have a webhook that you can create, and that gives you a URL, and then that's what we popped in here. Then we're going to save into our data store. We want to associate that ID from the API response to the product ID and the product image ID, so we can look it up over in the webhook. So then in the webhook action here, we receive that, we look up that record in the data store, and now we have our product ID, product image ID, and we can, there's the magic right there, which is the output from the API response that we can drop into the alt field there. And here's an example of it. Here's an image I lifted from the Blender's website, and here's the description that it generated. So hope that's helpful. Let us know if you'd like us to get that set up for you on your store.